Welcome back to Thrilla Art, everyone. And in today's episode of Ink or Stink, we're going to find out if an electric drill is a good tool for inking our art. The artwork itself, it's just a very rough sketch of a drill, but anyone who's good with ink knows that you can bring it all together in the inking phase. And looking at our weapon of choice today, we have the Makita Model 6302 electric drill. And this baby is capable of up to 550 revolutions per minute. Oh yeah, I can barely contain my excitement. But there's a couple rules that I have to follow on this one. I cannot just go like this with the drill. Okay, I have to use the actual power of the drill. But I get to decide anything I can fit inside the chuck, this piece here, I can put anything in there that I want. And as long as I'm using the power, then we're okay. I mean, I could put a paintbrush in there. Yeah, maybe we'll try that. Okay, so with all of that in mind, let's find out if this baby can ink or if it stinks. All right, much like the kudu horn, this thing is not gonna get ink out of that into our custom-made inkwell. Turns out the eyedropper is still the best for removing ink. So first off, we're actually gonna use an actual drill bit. Now I know you're probably thinking that's dumb, but a drill bit actually has these little grooves, these little flutes on the side, and I think the ink might actually get in there. So let's go for that. Come on, don't let me down. I'm scared to turn it on. Oh yeah, look at that texture. Okay. Alright, well I think we pretty much know what we're going to get from that. I'm not even sure what this is, but it's some kind of sandpaper auger wheel thing. That ought to hold some ink. Oh yeah, this is what you want for putting on those thick black areas. Getting the cord here. Woo! Oh, that's okay. Oh, look at that, I actually cross-hatched with it. Yeah, okay, maybe, watch. I'm gonna try and see all these little cross hatches? I'm gonna try and do that one swipe, here we go. Whoop! All right, try and quickly do this dark area here. Whoops, a little too much. It's still making it work. There's our control. Oh yeah, I'm getting good at this. All right, let's move on. So this thing is a wire bristle thing for cleaning up metal. Oh man, something tells me this is a bad idea. Not where I meant to go. Well, that was fun. Look at that. Are you not just dumbfounded by my genius? Dang it! No! Gosh dang it. I have an idea. I think this string might actually be a killer instrument for the drill. Get that string to swing around. Yeah. I tied just a little knot on the end, just to give it just a little bit of weight on the end so it stays straighter. That did not work. Let's look at our artwork. Holy cow! I think I made some mistakes. Going back to this thing. So, does it ink or does it stink? I'm pretty sure the answer is it stinks. There's no way that you can ink with an electric drill. At least not this thing. Thanks for tuning in for this week's episode of Ink or Stink. The answer is clear. This is way worse than the kudu horn. The kudu horn's a much better instrument for inking your artwork. So, I was so disappointed. I really wanted this one to be good. But thanks for watching. Keep drawing. Keep having fun with ink. And until next time,